Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Tractor Supply. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Alright, yeah, Tractor Supply it is. Haven't been to Tractor Supply in a while, so feels real nice to come in and look at the items here. We got the ATV lift, or now we got the chainsaws here. These are nice. The Husqvarna. We got a 20-inch and an 18-inch. Not bad prices at all. Not a bad price, especially for an 18 and 20-inch. Gotta say, these are nice. Probably for the people that have big trees or a big yard, you know, with a lot of trees. Got other parts for the chainsaws, all the chains and the bars and everything. I was looking at this, the chainsaw sharpener. It's kind of crazy. Never seen one like this before. Usually you have the file type, you know, you just do it manually. And then they got all the loops, spark plugs, all the parts for the 2-cycle engines and the mowers. Those are the blades. More parts. There's the filters. And that's the covers for the lawnmowers. Some nice wagons there. Heavy duty wagons. You got some barrels. Yeah, that's a nice string trimmer. It's a wheeled string trimmer. These are kind of hard to find. But yeah, this is more heavy duty stuff. That's the Husky, 21-inch, 3-in-1. Six-month special finance. So they do offer financing. That's the Husqvarna all-wheel drive. Looks like a real nice machine. Same thing with that one. Husqvarna's. And yeah, some DeWalt's. I was surprised that they carry DeWalt, especially the XR, the 20 volts. Yeah, I was surprised they carry any of these electric tools, battery operated. I don't know if you guys notice on these on this section, but there is no electric mowers here. Everything's gas. So what, you know, pretty much what Tractor Supply, mainly their customers are for people that have big yards, big lots, you know, like a ranch, or, you know, like big properties. So that's usually what they're targeting, people with big yards. Some nice fans right there. See, what I did is on those fans, I have one of those. I went to Lowe's and I bought one of those misters, those small misters, like a 10-feet mister, and I tangled it. I just put zip ties and just put it on around the front part of the fan, and now you got a mist fan for the heat. You know, brings down the temperature a lot, especially when you have company. If you're doing a grill or something outside, some backpack sprayers for the weeds and the pesticides. Some garden equipment. Alright, tools. We're at the DeWalt section here, as you can see. We got a whole bunch of DeWalt's yellow tools. I always like coming to Tractor Supply because you see tools that you never seen before. You don't see these. Sometimes you don't see these at Home Depot, you know. But yeah, I just like to come into Tractor Supply looking at something different, not just the same old Home Depot and Lowe's type. Yeah, but they got a nice selection there of power tools. I was looking at this. There's two different ones. $279 for that one. I guess it's on sale. But yeah, because the different type is the anvil, and that one's $229.99, and that one's $279 on sale. Yeah, every time you're looking at or shopping at Tractor Supply, look at the price cut, the red tags. I always look at those price tag or price cut. These are nice sockets right there, impact sockets from DeWalt. Got some reciprocating saws, blades, spades. We got some Hobart welders. Yeah, these are heavy duty welders. Good quality welders. Got some compressors. DeWalt Ingersoll-Rand. Yeah, these things are huge. Mainly for the big tire shops and the big mechanic shops. Some vacuums there. We got the Shop Vac brand. Then they have that Porter cable. They got some sockets, some storage, some DeWalt storage. Some ratchets. They do have gear wrench. It's a nice ratchet there. This is some big wrenches. I was looking at these labels. They're actually pretty nice. Might get a set of these, put them on my toolbox. But yeah, it's really nice. And they are magnet, so you can just stick them to the front of the drawer. That's nice. It's a nice set. Never seen a set like this before. DeWalt. 23 piece. And that's the Crescent brand tools right there. Gear wrench. Yeah, it looks kind of empty, but you know, maybe they're moving. So I don't know if you guys know, but they do have a clearance section. And towards the end of this video, I will be doing the clearance section. So the last, I'll say the last 6 or 7 minutes. That's a nice set for $14.99 from DeWalt. We got the generators, the Champion generators. You got more welders here. Everything's behind those locks. As you can see, those red tags are the tags that you're looking for. Those are the sales. Those are some big safe boxes there. I would call that a safe room, you know, it's so big. Those are nice. And actually, for the price, it's not a bad deal. You know, for $1,000, that's how much you pay for a small one in another store. Here, they're huge. Good quality. And also, you can check out Black Friday deals. They do have a lot of Black Friday deals and discounts on those boxes there. Same thing with all the tools and everything. Yeah, these are some nice winches there. I was looking at the recovery equipment. So I'm fairly new to the off-road. Like I said, I purchased the Chevy Silverado, my 2017 Chevy Silverado, and it's my first 4x4. So I never had a 4x4 before. Looking at the kinetic energy recovery rope, heard good things about this. So I just want to put together like a little kit for in case I go off-roading or something, or if somebody gets stuck somewhere, I can just pull them out, you know. So I want to get like a little kit together. I know that rope could be expensive, but we'll see. We'll see what I get and what I can put together. It's a tree saver right there. Because they got different sizes. It's a 20 feet. I was looking at the material that's made of. So I never seen one before. I never used one either. So if you guys know anything about that, you know, let me know in the comments. You guys are experts in off-roading and vehicle recovery. It's the winch bracket. Because that's more way to install a winch. Got some more towing stuff here, but in the clearance section. Yeah, I always look at these clearance sections. You could find something that's worth getting. Every store is different, so they might have something different in another store. But for this store, I think it's a pretty good deal. They got pretty good deals here. And they do have a clearance section at the front near the clothing area. That's where I saw the bigger discounts and the bigger clearance. Got some oils for the tractors. Some toolboxes. Those truck toolboxes. I gotta say, Tractor Supply does have some nice toolboxes. I gotta give that to them. You know, they got a whole different section here with different colors. Well, not different colors, but you know, different styles, sizes. One for every truck. These all look pretty good quality. And it looks like that's their own brand, so they must have some company make their toolboxes with their own brand. Yeah, $34.99 for those Rhino ramps. That's the cheapest I seen them. I checked out AutoZone. I checked out even Walmart. That's the cheapest I seen them for $34.99. So if you guys need some Rhino wraps, come to Tractor Supply. Alright, this is the clearance section, I was looking at this. This is a nice Stanley set right there. Another set of combination wrenches. Yeah, everything's on clearance. The only reason why I walked up here, because I didn't know this was here, is because I needed to get some glasses for work. And so I got those glasses from DeWalt. And beside that, there was this little section with all the clearance items. But I gotta say that you got some good deals here. If you look through all the tools, yeah, they definitely got some good deals. Got some little kits there, Stanley kits. I was looking at this 25 pills HSS drill bit set. Those are the glasses that I got. And sunglasses and safety glasses. Some nice crescent wrench set there. Got some clamps down there. I was looking at his cart. It's got some nice stuff in there. Some nut settlers. It's just some nice sockets there. Impact rated sockets. Not a bad price for those. I ended up getting one of these sets, those hex sets, the yellow ones, because I know these are hard to find, especially impact rated. So I ended up getting a set of these. They're only like $9.99, I believe. Yeah, they definitely got some nice stuff here at the clearance. Shop our fresh picks. Got some more pliers and crescent wrenches there. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and shopping at stores. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.